At any social event, one of the first things a person usually asks someone they've just met is, "So, what do you do?" People instinctively know how closely intertwined a job is with who we are. A job defines who we are and allows us personal, financial, and social independence. For those with mental illness, one of the most important parts of the recovery process is the feeling of purpose gained through employment, whether full-time, part-time, or a volunteer position. Many possess a strong desire to re-emerge as productive, self-sufficient members of society and to enter the workplace based on their abilities, not their disabilities.
Having a job for me has been very good for my self-esteem.
I'm a hard worker and I'm a dedicated worker, and no one has to know that I have a bipolar disorder. I'm going in to do a perfect job. I'm going in to do a good job.
First of all, it structures my day, which I've found that structure is very, very important to one's recovery from a mental illness.
My rapport with my coworkers, with my supervisors, it just makes me complete.